If you've heard of reverse mortgages but have thought, I still don't really understand how this works, you're not alone. In fact, that's one of the most common things that families tell me. So today, I want to slow everything down and walk you through exactly how a reverse mortgage works, step by step, in plain English. No pressure or sales talk, just clarity. Let's start with the basics. A HECM reverse mortgage is designed for homeowners who are 62 years or older and live in their home as their primary residence. You also need to have enough equity in your home, meaning you've either paid it off completely or you owe very little on it. And unlike a regular mortgage, there are no required monthly mortgage payments. You continue doing what you already do. So that means paying your property taxes, keeping homeowners insurance, living in and maintaining your home. This alone is where a lot of confusion starts. Now let's talk about the money, because this part often sounds more complicated than it really is. With a reverse mortgage, you're not borrowing money from the bank in the traditional way. You're actually accessing a portion of the equity you've already built up in your home. That money can be received in different ways. So a lump sum, monthly payments, or a line of credit that you can draw from over time. And that flexibility is what many families find helpful, especially for things like home repairs or medical expenses, paying off existing debt, or simply making life more comfortable. One of the biggest differences between a reverse mortgage and a traditional mortgage is this: you are not required to make monthly mortgage payments. The loan balance increases over time instead, and that often makes people nervous at first. But remember, this loan is designed to work with the value of the home and not against it. Another question families often ask is, what happens down the road? When the homeowner eventually passes away or permanently moves out, the family has options. They can sell the home, refinance and keep the home, or return the home and walk away. And in every situation, the loan is repaid from the home, not from your children's personal finances. That peace of mind matters to a lot of families. For many seniors, this isn't about money. It's about staying in the home they love. It is about independence. It's about not being a burden. And for adult children, it's about knowing their parents are safe, comfortable, and supported. If you're 62 or older or helping a parent understand their options, this channel is here to help. We'll keep breaking this down step by step, myth by myth, so you never have to feel pressured. If you'd like a free home equity checkup, you'll find the link below. And if this was helpful, please subscribe and share it with someone you care about.